Hi guys, my name is Renu and I'm a refashion enthusiast. I love to transform old and outdated clothing into something really new and trendy and yeah, usable too. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and today I'll be showing you transformation on this oversized pant. I bought this pant from a local thrift store and fell in love with the color and the material, which is perfect for summer. This pant is way too big for me, which is even more interesting as it will give me a lot more room to explore and experiment my ideas on. As you guys can see, the original crotch is way too low and the length is too long. So see, when I slide the pants up to my waist, it will be perfect for a high-waisted pleated pants, or should I say pegged pant. So I thought of making comfy pegged pant for summer. So let's get started. So first of all, seam rip open this tiny belt holder from the waist. So this is our belt holder and this is the tiny belt which we'll be using later. Now iron the pants and make it flat. Turn on the wrong sides and balance the crotch, lay the pant flat, aligning everything properly. Now take any of your non-stretch pants for the reference and lay it over the big pant, aligning waist to waist and crotch to crotch. Now taking this pant as a reference, we'll be shortening the length of the pant and taking a bit from the crotch side and make the crotch a bit higher by 1.5 inch. I wanted to make the round button of the pant a bit larger than the black pant, so I marked 1 inch larger from both sides. We'll be cutting our pant in this shape without changing the original large waistline. Stay tuned to see why I did so. Mark along the line you traced from the black pant and pin it up along the line like this. Try it up wrong sides to check the fitting. Make some adjustment accordingly. Well, I had to narrow down more from the hip line as it was looking too much baggy at the back and needed to higher up the crotch more. Pin up the new fitting line as you do so and then draw a new fitting line on the pants following the pin. And sew it along the mark line of both the side seams and the inner crotch seams. Cut the excess fabric on both sides and use that leg part as a guideline to trace and cut new seam lines on the other leg side. And you know the drill, trace it, sew it and then cut it. I was a little bit confused about the hemline of my new pant, so for now I just followed the hemline of the black pant and marked a new hemline with 1/2 inch seam allowance. Cut the new hemline and interlock all the raw edges. Take measurement of the original waist of the pant, which is 34.5 inch. My original high waist measurement is 26 inches, but for this pant I will make the waistband 3 inches longer. That means 29 inches, so that it will fit me even when I get fat. But yeah, I won't get fat. Now we have almost 5 inches extra space to work with at the waist, so we're gonna create pleats of 2.5 inches each at both front sides across the zipper for a pegged pant look. If you guys haven't heard the term of pegged pant yet, pegged pant is a pant which has larger pleats at the waist, which is not so tight at hip and have a low crotch narrowing down the bottom of the hemline. So now that you guys know, mark 2.5 inches from the dart and make a pleat, secure it with a pin. Now mark 2 inches from the zipper at both front sides and pin the belt holder starting from the marked point following the way it was before. Cut the extra waistband holder right at the back midpoint and sew it. After you pin it, sew along the sides of the waistband holder but not at the center so that we can hop in our tiny waistband. You guys, I was still not convinced with how baggy the pant looked at the back side, so I again had to pin it up extra inches to fit me better. You guys can do whatever looks good on you and make some adjustment until you're satisfied. So now you guys know the drill. Like we did before, mark along with the pin, draw a new seam line carefully and sew it along. So it looks better now, so do the same on the other side, and I think I'm gonna change the length and make it a quarter band. Now measure 32 inches down from the waistline and cut a new hemline with 1.5 inches seam allowance. Now fold the hemline and sew it like this. To make your hemline fall even better, you can add some extra weight by adding some interface down the hemline, but I decided to do my hemline just like this. Now it's time to insert the waistband. Hold the waistband with a safety pin and wrap the pin with a tape so that it does not open up on the waist. I insert my laces or waistband using this method. How do you insert your waistband? Comment down below if you have some new technique to share with. And pull the waistband, balance out both sides, and now make a loop on each side, and then we are done. So here's the final transformation. For watching, guys. I hope you like this video, and as usual, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like and share this amazing idea of sustainable fashion, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tutorial video on Refashion every Tuesday. So I'll see you next week with a new transformation again. Bye.